In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSI indicator in MetaTrader 5. To get started, open the MetaTrader 5 platform and make sure you have a chart visible on your screen. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a popular momentum indicator, and in MetaTrader 5 it can be added in just a few clicks. The first method is through the top menu. Go to the upper left area of your terminal and click Insert. This menu gives you access to tools, objects, and indicators that can be placed directly onto your chart. After that, move your mouse over Indicators. This opens the indicator categories available in MetaTrader 5. From there, select Oscillators. Oscillators are indicators that typically move within a fixed range and are commonly used to help identify momentum, overbought conditions, or oversold conditions. Once you open the Oscillator section, click on Relative Strength Index. As soon as you do that, MetaTrader 5 will apply the RSI to your current chart. In most cases, it will appear in a separate panel below the main price chart, making it easy to compare price movement with the indicator. There's also another way to do the same thing, which can be useful if you prefer working from the side panel. Open the navigator window by pressing Ctrl and N on your keyboard, or by going to View and then selecting Navigator. This opens a panel where you can quickly browse available tools and indicators. Inside the navigator, find Indicators and click the plus sign next to it to expand the folder. Then locate Oscillators and click the plus sign there as well. This will reveal the list of oscillator-based indicators available in the platform, including Relative Strength Index. Now find Relative Strength Index in the list. You can either drag and drop it directly onto your chart, or right-click it and choose Attach to a Chart. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. Once added, the RSI will appear on the chart and you can begin reviewing it immediately. If needed, you can later adjust its settings, such as the period, color, or levels, depending on how you like to analyze the market. That's all it takes to add the RSI indicator in MetaTrader 5. Whether you use the Insert menu or the Navigator panel, the process is quick and straightforward, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature.